Hey y'all, it's the Country Notary. Hope you're having a great day. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am giving an update on my personal home renovation project, a mobile notary renovation. This is the after. I think in video 2, I shot a scene of the kitchen where it was partially sheetrocked and partially not sheetrocked. Now, this is what the kitchen looks like. And in a few short days, it will take on a different appearance. Cabinets will be installed this week. Custom-built cabinets will be installed this week. And depending on the timing, today is Wednesday, perhaps by Friday, Monday or Tuesday of next week, we will have countertops. So we will have a kitchen video at that point. And eventually my internet connection will be off the bucket and onto a proper location. So just a quick update. As you can see, the house has been completely sheetrocked, painted, and flooring all throughout. We have a wood grain ceramic tile flooring. It looks like wood, but it's not. It's actually ceramic tile that's been grouted. Where we live here in Southeast Texas, we get a lot of bad weather, sadly floods, hurricane-type storms that carry a lot of rain and moisture, and it basically rains once or twice a week either way. So there's quite a bit of water tracking in and out of the house, and these floors will provide me with the best foundation, security, stability, I should say, against the weather. Very hardy, very durable. Okay, notice we have our peekaboo window, has been installed, no glass yet. This used to be the outside of the house, but now it's actually my storage area that has all of the things from the house stored in it currently. In the next few days, our new light fixtures will be installed. This is one of the old fixtures from the house from when it was first built. About saving that one and actually installing it somewhere as a memento. It's the entrance to the house so far. Completely redone as well. New doors. Closet, not a big deal, but if you saw this closet before the renovation, it is a huge deal. It's been floored and painted as well. The air conditioning vent has been relocated from its previous location, which was here to there. It's a huge improvement. This was another older brown door, and this area was also completely linoleum laminate flooring. All have been replaced. So far my contractors have done a great job. The garage area still is somewhat of a construction zone. However, in a few short days, my primary contractor will be finished and his equipment and tools will be cleaned up and removed. But I came out here to show you guys something really cool. This is the barn door, the sliding barn door that will be put in the house where the old patio, I had 2 sliding glass door patio doors that were removed from the house, completely removed. The tracks, the patio doors, completely removed, and they'll be replaced with this barn door. It's not quite finished. It's gonna put a little artistic design on the front, at the bottom, a little X design, and paint it. Still kind of contemplating what color to paint it. I like it raw like that, but over time, of course, it'll get stained up with fingerprints and dirt. So we have to make a decision real quickly because my contractor, Alvin, is moving really quickly. And this is the area where that barn door will go. Found the hardware for the barn door at Lowe's. Pro tip, guys, I don't know if this can help anybody. I was looking for oil rubbed bronze hardware for throughout the house, and the packaging on the barn door hardware said oil rubbed bronze, but it's not. It's a faux FAUX finish. It doesn't even look anywhere close to bronze, but it is on a darker tone and has some weird hue to it. So I say weird, I think they attempted to make it look like oil rubbed bronze, but it basically looks like something made in a factory to give it a similar appearance. But we're gonna keep it because it was the closest that I can find to the hardwares that I'll be putting in the kitchen and on these doorknobs. But anyway, the renovation is coming along nicely, as you can see. Very large room. We have still work to do. We have to replace some of the electrical plates throughout the house because they were at one point black, but over the years they faded with a little brownish tint. The AC vents have been replaced. We need lighting over the kitchen sink and window area. But otherwise, in a couple of short days, we'll be getting cabinets, countertops, and then afterwards, my cousin who did the flooring will be back to do the backsplash, and any finishing touches after that will be an afterthought because I will be able to move my furniture, dishes back into their locations, and finish this project out, which will have been a total of 6 weeks, give or take, 5.5 week project. Very happy, very proud, put this place back together. Now I'll have a really, really awesome video space. I only have a couple of people that I network here in Beaumont that might want to come over and maybe do videos or content room type activities, but we'll have a better space than we had before to do so. So everything's coming along nicely. I'll be giving you guys an update real soon. Thanks for joining my journey as we upgrade to the next level personally, as well as in my mobile notary business. I will be giving you guys an update real soon. It's a Country Notary. Talk to you later.